Hello and welcome to Cooking with Gordon. In this episode I'm going to do a classic chicken curry. Really nice, simple, easy recipe. So all you need for this, as it's a chicken curry, is diced, sliced chicken, can of chopped tomatoes, curry powder, sweetener, chicken cube, a couple of green chilies, onion and garlic. Nice, simple and straightforward. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to cut up the chili, the onions and the garlic and put some fry light into a big frying pan, but I'm using a wok pan, simply easier. You put them straight in and you've got to cook them for a few minutes. Well, about 3 to 4 minutes. So after you've had the onions, garlic and all that cooking away, you just add in your chicken. You can probably hear that cooking away nicely. So in with the chicken, then you add your curry powder. Try not to get the sweetener in there with that. And then you give it a good cook and a good mix around, get it all mixed together. Okay, so while that's cooking away, you want to get your chicken stock and make some chicken stock with the cube in 100, I think it's milliliters of hot water, and you get that going. Then after the chicken's been cooking away for 3 to 4 minutes, which it's been now, you want this on a mild heat, by the way, in case I didn't say that previously. So now you want to add in your tomatoes, sweetener, and the chicken stock. Give it another quick stir around. Looking good so far. So then you want to bring it to a boil. Make sure everything's coated and everything's nice. Okay, then when it starts to boil, I want to turn the heat down a little bit and cover. So you want to have the cover on and cook it for another 30 to 35 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. So I'm just going to leave it here and I'll come back to it in about 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been cooking now for a good half hour, so it's all nice. I've just tried it and the chicken is really tender. It's a good amount of spice. Chicken's nice and tender. The right amount of curry powder in there, mild curry powder, so it's not too hot, but it's not weak and wussy. Take the lid off. Scoop some into a bowl so I can show you guys. Obviously you'd have this with rice if you wanted, or pasta, go a bit different. But also the good news is the zinc content for this entire recipe is 0. Completely and totally sin-free. So you can try it at home, see what it's like. You can take a quick peek. As you can see, lovely, tasty. So yeah, I recommend you guys try this at home if you get a chance. Nice, simple, easy to follow recipe and ingredients. So Again, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see my past videos, hit the subscribe button. I've got quite a few cooking recipes so far. And if you've got any suggestions or any comments or anything you want me to cook next, please, again, put them in the comment section. So that's me for this week. So until next time, be good.